Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to enable two-factor authentication on your Tax&Accounting client portal for extra security. First, log in and go to the Settings tab. From there, toggle on two-factor authentication for added protection. A QR code will appear on the right side of your screen. But before we scan that, let's get your mobile device ready. You'll need to download an Authenticator app. If you're on an iPhone, head to the App Store. If you're on Android, open the Play Store. Search for Authenticator app and pick one to install. They all work similarly, so these steps will be easy to follow no matter which one you choose. Once the app is installed and set up, open it and use the scan code option to use your camera QR code scanner. Now, point your phone at the Tax&Accounting QR code on your screen. The app will automatically add Tax&Accounting to your account and generate a time-sensitive code for you. These codes expire quickly, so if you miss one, don't worry, just try again with the next one. Enter the 6-digit code into the Tax&Accounting page and click Confirm. You're all set. If you want an extra layer of security, you can also turn on the backup method to receive a text message with a code. Next time you log in, just follow the prompts and open your Authenticator app, where you'll find a fresh 6-digit code to input. That's it. Simple, right? We hope this video helps you navigate your Tax&Accounting dashboard with ease. We're here to assist you every step of the way.